Heavenly Father, in Jesus' name, I thank you for tonight. Because it is not by power, not by might. It is by your word. Thank you for doing the booking right tonight. Your word is a loving word. Thank you for giving your people a second chance. Tonight, there will be deliverance tonight. Tonight, let be salvation tonight. Tonight, let be a touching power of Jesus. Tonight, let the heaven kiss the earth. Tonight, let the sick be healed. Tonight, let those who have sinned be forgiven. Father, we give you glory.